Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to track your carbon footprint with mobile apps. So first you're going to go to Play Store. When you're here you're going to search for Klima. You're going to download this application and then open it. When you're here you're going to tap. You're going to click on calculate your footprint. And here you're going to select your country. Click on confirm. And here you're going to read this and then click on next. You're going to answer the questions. After you're done with the questions, this is gonna tell you your annual carbon footprint. And then you have options to tune and edit your footprint in greater details. And you can reset all questions and restart the calculator. Then you can click on next. And this will show you more about this application called Klima. Then you're gonna sign up. After you created your account, you can now see Klima's projects by clicking on see all. And here you can see all the projects that Klima, this application, is contributing on. And you can start offsetting and vote for the thing you wanna support. For example, this. Then click on continue. Here you're gonna put the amount you wanna donate. And this is how you can improve the footprint.